Hello listeners, hello video viewers, welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 22 is sports and games. Football or soccer? Basketball. Ice hockey or hockey? Tennis. Baseball. Volleyball. Badminton. Boxing. Running. Cycling. Swimming. American football or football? Rugby. Handball. Figure skating. Table tennis. Gymnastics. Skiing. Biathlon. Fencing. Karate. Taekwondo. Horse racing. Diving. Hockey or field hockey? Chess. Drafts or checkers? Bowling. Fitness. Surfing. Archery. Rafting. Weightlifting. Snowboarding. Sailing. Polo. Water polo. Cricket. Squash. Rock climbing. Kayaking. Ski jumping. Pole vaulting. Skateboarding. Wrestling. High jump. Bobsleigh or bobsled. Skeleton. Motocross. Golf. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and see you next lesson.